Welcome friends from Tip Ted on Tuesday at Tallahassee Harley-Davidson. We'd like to welcome you back as we bring you new and exciting tips. Please follow and like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And in the future we're going to demonstrate maintenance, repairs on your motorcycle. The importance of having your motorcycle looked at by trained technicians at different intervals. We'll talk about performance and picking out the right camshaft for your application. The differences between the stage kits, accessorizing your bike during the different seasons. Right now we're showing here some stuff with for cold weather. We've got heated grips, heated seat. We have taller windshields, heavier jackets, heavy gloves. All these things help out in this cold weather we're having right here in Florida. There also has been a recall on these bikes on some 17 and 18 touring bikes about the clutch. We're going to discuss that, and I'll show you what exactly they're doing and why they're doing it. So join us and follow us and like us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel as we bring you more and more Tip Ted videos. Thank you.